Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shel's Glam Home. Well, today is an exciting day, guys. It's time to bring out the Christmas decor. Today's video is a Christmas decor unboxing. I hope you enjoy. Guys, over the weekend, I got my husband to bring down all my Christmas decor from storage. Now, there is a lot of it. So what I did here is I just divided everything up, pulled out everything that I was going with this year, and then placed everything back in boxes so I knew what I was using and what I was not. One of my things I use every year is my DIY fur boxes. If you'd like to see that video from a few years ago, I'll leave that link down below. One of my favourites is also this beautiful glass reindeer that I picked up from Spotlight last year, as well as this adorable little cake ornament, also from Spotlight. The best thing about bringing out the Christmas decor, guys, is that I tend to forget what I had. So it's almost like shopping all over again when I find things that I truly love. Another one of my favourites is this adorable little combi van with a little Christmas tree on top. I picked him up from Kmart last year. Also last year was this beautiful gold little house. It's lighted up, guys, and it's from Bed Bath and Table.
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around.
And these beautiful owls that I picked up about 2 years ago from TK Maxx. They are probably one of my favourite Christmas pieces. Also from TK Maxx are these beautiful gold Christmas trees.
These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you.
I absolutely love collecting different ornaments for my tree, from furry ones to these beautiful gold angel wings. I love how elegant these pieces look on the tree.
I've been longing to hold you close, forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
I also love this beautiful gold and white Christmas sign that I picked up from Woolworths last year. Every year Woolworths brings out some really cute decor, guys, so definitely check that out this year. As well as Big W here in Australia, which brought out these beautiful glam Christmas trees.
And I've lit my house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning,
And every year, guys, I do some sort of DIY fur Christmas box. This is one from a few years ago, and I'll also leave that video for you down below. Here is another one I did in blush pink from last year, one of my favourites. Now the bow did get a little bit damaged in storage, but that's the best thing about DIYs, guys. I'm planning on recreating a new bow to give a whole new look. guys, I'm definitely going with a very elegant gold theme. So my colours this year are going to be golds, creams, and my pop of colour is actually going to be leopard print. And guys, how adorable is this cute little penguin? I love him so much, and I picked him up last year, also from TK Maxx. Also from TK Maxx is this amazing gold Christmas tree. I've got two of these guys in the small as well as the large, and it's also one of my favourite pieces. Now, one of my favourite things that TK Maxx brings out every year are beautiful stockings. I absolutely love this snow leopard print stocking, and I picked them up about 2 years ago. I've got 4 in total, and I also have the matching tree skirt. I also have these adorable little swans that I picked up from Big W last year. And how stunning, guys, is this beautiful glam Santa? I got him last year also from the Red Dollar store here in Australia. It is absolutely stunning in person, and I love the velvet look. So guys, what theme are you going for this year? Are you bringing out all your decor and using everything? Or are you like me, where you're going to divide things up and look for things that you specifically want this year? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. Guys, I seriously can't believe how quickly Christmas is coming around. So I'm trying to be very, very organised with putting out these videos for you. Hopefully I can bring you some inspiration when decorating your home this Christmas season. Now, I'm planning on doing a decorate with me video for Christmas, guys, so please don't forget to tap the notification bell. YouTube for some reason is not notifying you all every time I upload, so I'd really appreciate it if you could just hit that notification bell and click always once the videos are notified to you. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've been inspired to start decorating for the Christmas season. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shells Glam Home.
Every child got their hearts filled up with joy. Yes, it's Christmas.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Snow is falling down, all the colored lights lighting up this town. And as I walk outside, hear the Christmas choir sing Merry Christmas to you. of